so we're reviewing this tent.
It's a camping one.
Okay, it comes in a little bag. Let's see. See what we got in here. Alright, so it looks like, what about the stitching? Looks like I see a bunch of stitching loose. So I don't know how well this bag is going to hold up. There's some loose pieces that are stitched. Oh, it comes with its own straps. Okay, and a rope.
And the tent.
Okay, so I don't know how these...
And this.
These are just tie straps.
And it also comes with this to hook it up, I think.
Okay, let's see. There's just tie straps. Okay, some rope.
And this.
Okay, and so this is already preset around. All right, let's go see how this works when we go set it up.
Mama.